Zavere, you are my person. After today, you will be my person until my very last breath. When I felt lost and uncertain, you were there to comfort me when I needed you the most, and you reminded me that I was not alone. You helped me find the strength, and that is the kind of love you give.
If I'm being honest, deep down, I'm also full of emotions that are hard to put into words. You see, I have spent years holding her hand through every bump, every dance, every giggle in the kitchen, every late night food craving, every silly selfies, every day. Dad, can you do this for me moments? And now, I'm supposed to let go of that hand, just like that.